Hello, I'm Chris Carroll, the Program Director for the Bachelor's Degree in Computing and Security Technology in the College of Computing and Informatics here at Drexel University. And I want to tell you 5 reasons why you should earn this degree. So what you will learn in the Computing and Security Technology degree is all the components that build our infrastructure. So this includes networks, servers, databases, applications that we use every day that are served by web and cloud providers like AWS and Google and Azure. The added focus of the CST degree, that's a Computing, Security, and Technology degree, is we teach you how to build those things securely. So there's security up front. We also teach you about all the aspects of how to manage cybersecurity. How do you create a secure environment so that a business or an organization or a government doesn't have a data breach or have some kind of incident that causes a disruption. So the security part is just as important as building the technology, and both those are covered in the program. There are 2 concentrations. So if you're real curious about how infrastructure works, in other words, just how does that document you send to a wireless printer actually get there and print out, you might be more of a computing and technology concentration student. That area is going to focus more on networks and servers and databases and the components that are used to build these applications that we use every day. That includes mobile, that includes cloud, and it also will include things like IoT. If you're really focused on the security piece, the other concentration is in computing security. And that concentration is really focused around cybersecurity. So not only will you learn the things that are needed to ensure that hackers can't get into environments and cause data breaches, you'll also learn things about auditing and security awareness and security policies that can help businesses and governments and organizations out. Right now, there's many job opportunities. In fact, the Bureau of Labor Statistics is stating that there's 11% growth in IT and computing jobs over the next decade. And when it comes to cybersecurity, it's even more. 31% growth in the field of cybersecurity and jobs in the next decade. Another statistic I like to bring up is that there's over 400,000 open positions in cybersecurity right now. And those positions, almost all of them, require a 4-year college degree. So this is the right degree to get at the right time. Drexel's a very technical university, and so it's in our DNA to always research, teach, and educate students about the new things going on in fields like IT and cybersecurity. Our curriculum is updated when new technologies come out, because some of these technologies are actually being researched here at Drexel University. There's more sensors in the world now, IoT sensors that are going to help automate tasks that people do and make our lives easier. There's new things like cryptocurrencies and private blockchains that businesses are going to use. That's in the curriculum right now in the applied cryptography class. There's also lots of advancements when it comes to virtualization, virtualizing networks and virtualizing servers. And these are the technologies that cloud providers use, and we cover those all in the curriculum as well. So if you're excited about the new things that are going to go on in cybersecurity and IT, you need to come here and take the CST program. Drexel has had the CST program in place for more than 10 years. So we're the veteran, the one that's had the program for many years. You have a huge opportunity to come here and take our program online. We transfer in credits from community colleges. We also give credits to people that have an industry certification. So something like a network industry certification or a server industry certification. As long as that certification is current, we'll give you some transfer credits in so you can start in the program. If you really want to get one of the best degrees in these fields, this is the place for you.